All right, Luxor Las Vegas, one of the most famous and identifiable Las Vegas hotels. If you're coming here and you're staying here, pay attention to this video. You are most likely going to be staying in this room. This is a Tower King. I originally booked a Pyramid King, but they upgraded me to this room, and I'm not upset about it at all. In fact, I'm quite happy about it. For just a few dollars more per day, this seems to be the fresher room, the better room with an enhanced feel. So I'm definitely glad I'm in this Tower King. I just got here. Let's just kind of check out this room together. Let's get it started in the bathroom. So the first thing I noticed in this bathroom is marble everywhere. I think that adds class and distinction and some luxury to this room, which is great. Single vanity, but a large single vanity, so there's definitely enough space to put your stuff. On the opposite side of the single vanity is a bathtub. I will definitely put this to good use. I love a proper soak in Las Vegas. And then behind the bathtub and the vanity is this indented area. This is the functional part of the bathroom. You have your toilet kind of tucked away here for privacy on the right, and then you have your shower here on the left. Definitely noticing the gold fixtures in this room, gold everywhere. I think that coincides with the Luxor theme. And then as we enter the main portion of the room, for an entry-level room at the Luxor in Las Vegas, I gotta say, this is actually pretty impressive. I think it's a decent size, and given the age of the hotel, it seems to be relatively modern and fresh. All right, let's check out this bed first and foremost. In an entry-level room, I think the bed is the most important thing. If you're looking for a good night's sleep at Luxor, I think you're going to get it. It's not the best bed in Las Vegas by any means, but not the worst. I think if you need a good sound sleep, you're gonna get it. Flipping around, you have your TV right in front of the bed. I don't watch a lot of TV in Las Vegas, but if you do want to do that, it's right there. I will put this to good use. This is the desk area. You got some outlets and connectivity right there for convenience. You have some storage right here, safe right here, more storage in this external closet right here. And then here is the living area portion of the room. You have two obscenely ugly olive green chairs, but what these lack in beauty, they certainly do not lack in comfort. These are actually quite comfortable, and they are situated right next to the floor-to-ceiling windows, which let in a ton of light. Little table there for convenience, so you want to have a coffee, put your laptop there, read a book, or maybe keep your eye on the pool scene. You can absolutely do that. This room is surprisingly nice. You have the crown molding, you have the recessed ceiling. Again, you have the recessed lights over the bed. You have a big, tall, beautiful headboard. There's some art in here that kind of gives some vibrance. You have an accent wall. You have some modern lamps and fixtures. Nicely sized TV, lots of space for storage. This room is much better than what I ever thought it would be. I actually had no idea that the Luxor rooms were this nice, and this is just an entry-level one. Now I'm kind of curious what the suites and the other enhanced rooms are like. So that is it for my dedicated room tour here at Luxor. This is a Tower King. Again, I find it to be impressive, and I never thought I would ever say a Luxor room would be impressive, but that just goes to show you never judge a book by its cover. That's why I do these videos, and that's why I do the channel, so I can kind of unearth some gems. And I have to say, initially, who knows how I could feel 2-3 days down the road, but initially, this seems to be a little bit of a gem and a great value, kind of hidden in Las Vegas. We'll find out in a few days, however. My initial impressions could change, but that's not going to be in this video. This is just a dedicated room tour. I'm here for 3 nights, and I'm looking for the best drinks, the best food. I'm going to gamble a little bit. I'm going to head to the pool. I'm going to try to do and see as much as this property as possible. If you're interested in that video, make sure you check out my channel, or eventually I'll drop a link in the description below.